Hi guys. Okay, let's read these sentences. Let's start with the first one. The students sit down. Now, if I tell you guys where's the predicate in this sentence, you're going to tell me sit down, right? Okay, great. This is the predicate. Let's underline it. Let's read the second sentence. The students arrive and sit down. Where's the predicate in this sentence? We already know that the subject, the students, right? Okay, how about the predicate? Arrive, sit down. We have more than one predicate. It's not a problem. When we have more than one predicate, it's called a compound predicate. So remember this word, compound. When I say compound, it means more than one. Here I have a compound predicate. I have arrive, sit down. We join them with and. So a compound predicate can be two or more. Deal? Two or more verbs. Okay, let's read this sentence now. The students open their books. Where's the subject in this sentence? The complete subject is the students, right? And the simple subject is students. Great. Let's read the fourth sentence. The teacher and the students open their books. Okay, where's the subject in this sentence? We have the teacher, we have the students. Which one? It's actually both. The teacher and the students open their books. So we have two subjects. When we have two subjects, what do we call it? Compound subject. Deal? Compound more than one. Here we have two and we join them with this word and. Okay, so this is what I want you to remember. When we say compound, it means more than one. We can have a compound predicate, more than one. We can have a compound subject, more than one. Let's look at some examples. First, actually, let's read the rules. So, this is what I want you to remember. A compound subject is two or more subjects that share the same verb, so they have the same predicate. The subjects are usually joined by a conjunction such as and or. So this is a new word for you. I need you to learn conjunction. Okay, when I say conjunction, these are conjunctions and or. Deal? So we join the compound subject with and or. A compound predicate contains two or more predicates that have the same subject. Same idea. Okay, when I say compound, more than one, so two or more. Now, compound subjects and predicates can use coordinating conjunctions. Don't worry about the names, we're going to be repeating them a lot, so you will memorize them by repetition. Coordinating conjunctions, which are these and or, alright, just like we joined and or before, or something called correlative conjunctions, which are these, usually used together, either or, neither nor. Don't worry about it, we will look at some examples and you will understand. Okay, let's start. So, after each sentence, write whether the underlined words are a compound subject or compound predicate. So we have to read, we have to find out, are these a compound subject or a compound predicate? Circle each conjunction. So these instructions, they have more than one thing that we need to do. Always pay attention to the instructions. We have to write something, we have to circle something. Deal? Don't just read the first part and say, okay, no, continue. Circle each conjunction. Okay, whatever is joining the predicate or the subjects together. Let's start with number one. The students arrive and sit down. Okay, so they have underlined this one, arrive and sit down. What do we call it? Is it a compound subject or a compound predicate? It has verbs, right? It has the what part of the sentence. So it's a compound predicate. Don't forget that we need to circle the conjunction. So circle and then right here on the line, compound predicate. Deal? Let's read number two. The teacher and students open their books. All right? So what is it? We're talking about the teacher and the students. We're talking about the who part. So it's the subject. So you write here on the line compound subject because more than one. And then you circle the conjunction, which is the and. Okay? All right. Let's read number 5. Number 5. Either the teacher or the principal will speak. So here we have like two subjects. It's called a compound subject. Easy, we write it on the line. How about the conjunctions in this sentence? Either or. Remember what we call these? Here, back in the rule, they are called correlative conjunctions because they usually come together in the sentence. So we circle them both. And or are called coordinating conjunctions. And either or, neither nor, they're called correlative conjunctions. So continue solving this and let me know if you have any questions.